Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan and I'm a Namibian YouTuber. So if you're coming here for the first time, make sure you go down below, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment, like and share. You can share with your friends, guys. That's how I grow. And you might see that there are some ads on this video. So if you're comfortable, you have Wi-Fi and all that, you can still go ahead and watch the ads, and if you're interested, click on them. That's how I earn. Anyways, today we're going to talk about ways you can make money online. So if you're just joining this channel for the first time, I've already made a video on how to make money or how to start a side business in Namibia, and I'm going to put a link somewhere this side or this side. I'm not really sure which side it's gonna be on. Anyways, let's go ahead and talk about the ways that you can make money online when you're in Namibia. As you know, there are some websites which can make you money, but they are not supported in Namibia. So this is a list of things that some of them I tried, and the ones I tried, I'm going to tell you that they work, and the ones I didn't try, I'll tell you that I didn't try them, but they have good record. People talk about them and they know that, or they say that they work well. Okay, let's start with Freelancer. Freelancer is a website where you can go there and submit or sign up and tell which area you're more qualified in. Like, have you ever made money online? If you have, let me know in the comments. Some of you are having qualifications and you're just at home. So if you're an accountant or you're a teacher or you have a talent or you have a qualification, you go there where there are people who are posting their projects. People who come up with projects, and then you present your bid. You tell them how much you charge per hour or how much you charge per project. So there are people who might also just want like an accountant, or they just want a translator. So if you know different languages, you might as well just go on Freelancer and then you can get a project there. So there's a lot going on there. There's content writer, like somebody would want a content writer, like to write content for their social media, and some will just want you to like promote their social media. Some will just want you to keep on posting on their social media, like as a social media what is it, social media manager. So you can just do that there. So go on to Freelancer and submit your bid. You just search for projects. Some of them will be like based, like this is based in Namibia, or this one is just based all over the world. Then you can do that. They will also they can also post something about you testing a product, and then they will send you like a product, like a Wi-Fi thingy, and then you can test it. You plug it in and they will just make sure, like, they will just tell you to have Wi-Fi or something, and then they will also pay for Wi-Fi if you don't have sometimes. So on Fiverr, I earned some money on Fiverr. There was a content creator who wanted videos shot from a window, like there is you open your window and then you just shot your outside for 30 seconds, you know. You open the window and then you shoot for 30 seconds. So I earned money from Fiverr. Why do I keep on saying Fiverr? From Freelancer. So Freelancer works. I got money from Freelancer before. So if you're qualified, you do research, or what, you're good into something, go to Freelancer and sign up. Talking about the websites where you can sell your talent, you can also go to Fiverr, and that's why you hear me talking about Fiverr a lot. Like, I keep on confusing it with Freelancer. So Fiverr is just like Freelancer. You sign up and then you sell your skill. You look for projects and then you give your bid, which is also good for you to give like a lower bid, lower than the rest, so that you can be picked until you get the experience and until you get the ratings. Because once you work for somebody, then they will rate you, like, are you a 5, are you a 2, you know. Once you get the good rating, then you can start charging more. But at the beginning, it's better you give lower bids so that you can get more money and more experience. The other thing is teaching English. There are websites on Facebook. I mean, there are websites on Google. You can search on the internet. There are websites that you can go to and then teach English. Some of them require you to go for teaching, what is this, TEFL, like teaching English as a foreign language, to be certified. Like you can take that course, and then once you get it, then you can teach English. But there was a website that, which I'll put in the description below, the website where I was teaching English without that TEFL certificate or certification. So there are websites that you can also just teach without getting certified for this. So if you know English or you have a qualification in English, then you can teach kids in China, kids in Philippines, kids in whatever, those people who can speak English. So you can have your class. You just have like one class or 3 classes a day, and then you get paid per day. I mean per class, you know. So the other thing you can do is YouTube. Duh, I'm not doing this for nothing. So you can just get a YouTube channel. Like once you have an email, you just create a YouTube channel where you'll be posting videos. So if you're good in English, you can just post videos about English, like teach people how to speak English. If you're Hobope Shwambo, you can post videos of a Shwambo or whatever. You can just do YouTube videos. You can do YouTube videos. Like now, I'm sure you've seen some advertisements or adverts on my channel or in the videos that you're watching. Even this video, I'm sure you've seen an advertisement. So when you watch that advert, I get some money from that. So it's okay if you can start a YouTube channel and then you get some money from that once you post things. The other thing is also Facebook. Some people don't know that you can actually get money from Facebook. The first thing to do is to create a page. Not this Facebook, not your Facebook account, personal account. Create a personal page where you'll be posting videos, or you just be posting content. You can reshare videos from other people, or you can get videos and then put them together, make them your own. And once you get 10,000 followers, then you will start putting ads. I'm sure you watch a lot of videos on Facebook where you saw that there is ads on videos. Those people are getting paid. So don't just be on Facebook for nothing. If you can get paid from Facebook, then use it. Create a page. Like some of you have a talent, you go live all the time and you have a fan base. So create a page and tell people to follow you on that page, and then keep on going live on those pages, and then you can monetize those pages. Facebook pays. The other thing is that you can create a website. There are actually websites, free websites you can create, like WordPress. What is this? You can create free websites, and then you can create a fan base. Once you get a fan base, then you can monetize your blog. This is blog. Vlogging is YouTube, and blog is website. So you can create a website, and then you start you can monetize it. So when people visit your page, your website, they will see that there are adverts, you know. There's King what is this, King Insurance, whatnot, those things from Namibia that you see, like you're being they're suggested to you. Those things, people get paid. People, the owner of that blog, get paid. So it's good if you already have a blog to monetize it. Don't just leave it there hanging. Understand? The other thing that you can also do online is that you can sell your own products. So once you create a website, you create once you've created a website, or you've created a YouTube channel or Facebook page, then you can start selling your products on those platforms. So that's a good thing. Not only that you can get money from YouTube itself, you can also sell stuff on YouTube and tell people, no, I have this product and all that and all that. The other thing is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you advertise something, be it on your YouTube channel, be it on your Facebook page, be it on your website. So what you do is that you go to a certain page like Amazon or AliExpress or anywhere like where they accept affiliate associates. So you go there and then you sign up and then you get a code. So when you go on YouTube, when you're watching videos on YouTube and people are telling you like, no, you can go down below, find the code and use that code, you know, when you use that code, that person get a specific percentage of what you ordered. If you bought something, a $5,000 worth something with somebody's link, you followed somebody's link and you go to website and you buy something that is worth like $5,000, that person might get like what? I don't know, a certain percentage. If something is worth $1,000, then that person might even get like $100 from that, because if they have a 10% affiliate, then that's what they get. So you don't even need to have products yourself. You just have a link and then you just keep on updating, you keep on promoting and advertising that product and tell people to use your link or your code, and then that's it, you get money. Sounds easy, huh? Anyways, if you just put your mind to something, you can do it. You can do it. Like I told my people or my subscribers here, guys, like you can buy stuff on Wish app using my code, and I have my code. There's a video I did on Wish app here. So there are times where I go to my Wish app and then I find like I have $8 from people buying using my code, and I didn't even know that people are actually doing that, which is like really awesome. So you can do affiliate marketing. It's really helpful. So this video is getting long, but this is part 1. I'm going to come back with part 2 on how to make money online from Namibia. There you have it, people. This was it for today. Ways you can make money online in Namibia. So don't just be at home doing nothing. You have Wi-Fi, you have everything. So just do something. Create an affiliate marketing, create a YouTube channel, or just post videos on Facebook, get videos from here to here, you know. And if you even have a bigger following on Instagram, you can just get money from there. You can share people's videos. Like I'll pay you to share my YouTube channel. I'll pay you if you have like over 5,000 5,000 followers on Instagram, you know. So don't just be at home doing nothing. You can do this, especially if you have also, not even just if you have qualification, even if you don't have qualification but you're good in something or you're good at something, do it. If you have a qualification in English, teach kids online. There are websites where you can sign up. Do that. Teach English, teach translate with Freelancer. You can pick up coding. You can teach, you can create a website for somebody like on Fiverr and Freelancer. Affiliate marketing, guys. Affiliate marketing works. I got money from referring people to places. So yeah. And on YouTube, what I said on YouTube, you don't also just get money from the adverts. You can also create like Patreon, where people can pay to create, to access certain, you know, like you can just post certain certain videos for certain people who paid to for that. So the video would just be there, but it will be watched by people who paid. The other thing is that you can also just sell your own products, and you can get also a sponsorship. Somebody will sponsor you, like, oh, I have this product, can you market it for me so I can pay according to how many people it reached, or how many people, you know, like, or I can give you this product. So you get free products that way. So I can give you this product, and then you can for free, and then you can tell people about it, give your views, you know. It's not only just about about ads. So yeah, don't be quiet. Approach the lodges near you. Like, you tell them like, no, I have this channel, and I would like to give a view, or to give if you can give me a room to stay for a night, or if you can, you know, you create up a package, so it will be a win-win on both sides. You get a video where you get money through the ads, and also you get free stuff, while they also get exposure. There you have it, beautiful people. This was it for today. Keep tuned for part 2. I've tried a lot of online stuff, so you should trust me on this. I've tried a lot. I've been unemployed for a while now, and I've been making some money. So stay tuned for part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. What other ways do you know? Like, do you have any other means of making money online? If you do, please let me know in the comments. For now, I'll be signing out. Stay tuned for part 2. Bye.